Okay, so me and my friend here are gonna be playing Cheese Escape. We already made it through here, so she's gonna go first because I always get scared in this game, so go on. Hello? She's still fast. She has a small avatar, which I don't have the money for. So that's why she's going. She's gone. I'm scared. Hopefully she waits for me somewhere. I hear noises. I'm scared. I don't want to go. I'm scared. I hate this game. It's scary. Okay. We're gonna be playing Royal High in this game. Never really needed it before, so yeah. Where is she? I don't know. Okay, I see her. She's waiting. I really don't know which one to get first. Get the Blacksea Cola. Oh no, where is she just? Where'd she go? She got the Blacksea Cola and then that one. Get the cheese. Hello? OMG. Ah! Oh my god. She's scared. I don't know what to... Okay, red door. I don't know where the red door is. So... Okay. Where do we go? Hello? Where are we gonna go? Hello? I'm gonna ask her. Okay. Where do we go? Anyway. Where do you go? Oh my god, she doesn't know. Well. I'm scared. I'm gonna go first this time. Hopefully I don't die, because... OMG. Where is it? Oh my god. Hopefully I don't die. You go. I want her to go. You go. No. No. She went. I'm scared. Because I really don't know where to go. I think it's down here. I don't know. Just down here.
Aren't you leaving in bed?
Okay, I don't know when she's gonna be here, but okay. Let's just wait. Because hopefully she's looking. I'm scared. Gee. Okay, we're both back. I'm scared. Get the board. Wait, it won't let me get the board. Wait. Oh my god. I'm just gonna keep the Blacksea Cola. Wait, I don't mean to drink that. Hello? I got the board. Ow, I need the board. Won't let me get the board. Okay, bye-bye, Blacksea Cola. Give me the board. Won't give me the board. Are you watching this? It won't give me the board. Oh my god, do I have to do this again? god, I have to do this again. She's related. I didn't show them that I enjoyed it. Okay, I guess that was a waste of time. But bye.